Good morning. So I'm working on the rocker panels this morning and specifically removing some of the brackets. So for instance, this bracket right here has got to come off the old inner. So I've got to get this removed right here. That's got to go on the new one. And then I got my quarter panel. I got my quarter panel cut down. Remove the jam from it. This is the jam panel for the patch that I need right here. So I got that all cut out so I can start getting ready to repair that. I've got to work on this, repairing this today, getting this cut out. But I got to get this rocker cleaned up, weld through primer in the spots that I need to, do some weld through. So that's what I'm going to be working on this morning, is getting that rocker panel ready to work on. So I'm going to have to tie these two together, make sure when I unbolt this it doesn't split. So I'm going to put a ratchet strap across there, pull this rocker off, get it touched up and get it ready to be put back in. I've got screws in both sides, so I'm going to get this thing screwed back in after I get the weld through primer on it. I can reach inside with it mounted up to put the port 15 on. So away I go. Morning, January 2nd. Hey, so in conclusion, let's take a look at what I got done today. So I got this jamb completely welded in, shaped, welded in all the way up. Got it welded in here. A little hard to see, let's adjust a little bit. Got the rocker panel welded in, the outer rocker to the rocker extension. Got the rocker extension all welded in here, here, all the way around there, and all the way down the bottom. Then I got the rocker extension welded, whoops, put my hand, welded all down here and all down in here. So we're all welded up except for the floorboard, and I have to fix this one spot yet, right here that we talked about with, gotta find it. Never mind, we'll talk about it later. It's around here somewhere. But I have a jamb to fix that with. So anyways, so good day, and got a lot done. It's really, really strong now. It's really, really strong. So I'm very happy with that. It pulled nice and even, nice and square. Everything's really solid. This is all solid. So now I got to work on this back here. But got this done today. So any day you spend on your car is a good day. Danny played cars with me today. So he worked on the CUDA, got a lot done, and we're moving forward. So thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you soon.